Your eyes closed?
You're looking at me. Sorry.
What is it?
That's the roof.
It's a roof. What kind of roof? For what? What's it for, Grandma?
For
What's it for?
thank you, Grandma. What Grandma getting?
Maybe there's more. Maybe there's more surprise. You think maybe? You gonna close your eyes? Okay. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Is it a big box or a small box?
Oh.
Oh my. Close your eyes. Here comes Grandma. She can't keep them closed. She's too excited.
It's all right. This is all from Dina. Two boxes like this. I only brought one today. I left some at our house.
Okay.
All right.
We're gonna go look at it. Maybe it's a surprise, Grandma.
Take it out of the box.
Maybe it's a surprise.
Thank you, Grandma.
Go with it.
For poo-poo in the pot. Well, remember when I said you would poo-poo in the pot? It's a toy box.
Right there in that corner, man.
Wait a minute. Sophia and I had to put it together. Oh, put it together. Go ahead, Nicole. You can take the other out.
Get it out.
Take it out. Sides clipping. Let me get the side in. You got it? That's the rug. I remember that was the rug. And we just come off. Put it together a little bit here. There. There. Snap it together. Oops. Snap it together.
What is it? Gong, Cheetah. What is it?
We need a dollhouse when we finish.
Whoa.
Put it together again. Oh, that goes in the rooms. Where do you want to put it?
Right in that corner.
No, in the bed. She's looking for the bed doll. 1 minute. What she can do.
In the bed?
In the bed. We can make it taller. Or we can make two out of it.
And this one goes.
People say. Let's see. One more? Okay, one more. There we go.
Oh my.
Oh my.
No.
This is from Grandma's friend Dina. We put this like this. Okay? And we can make a big one. Probably better than make it. Oops, I'm at bottom.
Oh, that's okay. No, you're fine.
Here. Oops. Ah! Excuse me. Now the roof. Do you have the roof? Here's the roof, Bob. You want to put the roof on for me? Here. Help me. Push. There it is. I wanted to scratch the wall. This is the doghouse. Alright. And this is all the furniture.
Milan, give Grandma a kiss. Say thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
And go give Papa a kiss.
Thank you, Dina. Our dining room looks like a toy store for a week. So I said we have to decide what we're going to bring today and what we're going to bring another day. Got it? Put it in the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Here. How's that?